How is it that you think people learnt Islam? They learnt Islam through the living tradition. Fiqh precedes the documentation of fiqh. The living sunnah, the living tradition precedes the documentation and the efforts of the muhaddithin. The muhaddithin project doesn't come into effect until centuries after Islam. Fiqh was already documented. Imam Malik in his time, his Mudawwana alone has over 30,000 fatwa documented. In his time, Abu Hanifa's Zahir al-Riwayah has 100,000 masail documented. The fiqh precedes hadith. The fiqh is sunnah. Sunnah precedes hadith. I understand this, those scholars who do not make that distinction between hadith and sunnah. But then you need to, one needs to highlight this in a discussion. One needs to say that, look, there are those ulama who draw this distinction because they are the early ulama of Islam. Imam Malik, Imam Abu Hanifa. That is, the Maliki madhab and the Hanafi madhab combined is probably what? 70% of all Sunni Islam today on the world, on the globe. So if you're looking at most of Asia, Central Asia and all that part of the globe, you can see behind me, all the Central Asia and all those populated countries are Hanafi in fiqh. And if you're looking at Maliki, most of Islam in Africa is Maliki. And then you've just got the Middle East, and there you've got some Hanafi like Iraq, and you've got some Shafi'i, but still Iraq would still probably be, plentiful Hanafi madhab. And then you've just got Jordan, Syria and these small countries, and you're going to have some Shafi'i. In Egypt you'll have a mixture. It's still, you're looking at the majority of the entire Muslim world. This is how they understand Islam, that they understand hadith and sunnah not to be the same. But whether they know it or not, but their books teach this. So it's a big thing, these things cannot be just, oh, it's not important. It's very important.